guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you this makeup look, but I'm actually just chilling. I wanted to like hang out with you guys for the new year because I feel like it's been so long since I actually just talked to you guys, like for real, and so many updates, like hello, crazy updates. I'm making big moves this year, I'm telling you, big moves. You guys wanna hang out with me for a little bit? Oh, also I used all of my favorites in this video, so every product that I use is like a long-term favorite of mine, not just like a current favorite, but like favorites that are like favorites, you know, like forever favorites. So yeah, if you guys want to hang out with me for a little bit while I put on some makeup, then keep on watching and let's do it. I'm gonna start with priming my face with this Glow Ahead face oil from GRWM. I've been using this actually as skincare. After I moisturize, I put this on, and I swear, honestly, like I swear it's changed my life. I'm almost out of it, just because like it just makes my skin so radiant and amazing. But I don't want to put too much on right before I put makeup on, obviously, because it's an oil. So I'm just going to focus it on the high points of my face. Foundation I'm going to use, of course, you guys already know. I'm going to use the GRWM Nude Illusion foundation. And I'm going to put it on. Happy New Year, first of all. I don't even think I said that. But you guys need to let me know what you did for New Year's. Also, Merry Belated Christmas and Merry Belated Hanukkah. I haven't been on here in so long. And I always like to know what you guys got for Christmas or Hanukkah, so comment below and let me know. I got a KitchenAid mixer. I'm very excited about it. I made cookies and they were delicious. What else did I get? I got AirPods. They're amazing. I'm obsessed with them. But I will say, I feel like they make me look like a crazy person because if I'm like on the phone with them, or like, you know, if I'm like walking outside on the phone with them, people can't see them because of my hair. Actually, now you might be able to see them. Yeah, like the other day I was walking Billy and a lady was trying to talk to me and I just like, it looked like I was straight up ignoring her, but I wasn't. I had AirPods in and she couldn't see them and I felt like a really big jerk after. It was like a moment. But anyway, comment down below, tell me what you got for the holidays. Oh, somehow I have a pimple right there. Honestly, I feel like I haven't been like cleansing my neck that well, you know? I feel like that's the reason. I've been like putting makeup on it and not properly cleaning it. Like I clean it, don't get me wrong, but I feel like I'm just not properly cleaning it. What else? Oh my God. I didn't tell you guys. Unless you follow, I know a bunch of you guys don't follow me on Instagram, so you probably don't even know that I got a little puppy dog. Well, he's not a puppy. I rescued him. Basically what happened was I was, by the way, I'm using the GRWM concealer and I'm gonna use both sides. I was basically like, I've been like in the talks with shelters for a while now, but it just like, nothing was coming of it and it was really frustrating. And finally I was like, you know what? It's not in my cards. It's not happening. I'm not getting a dog, I'm gonna get a kitten. So I went to this place that had kittens and wound up not really liking any of the kittens. And so then I went to another place and they had cats and dogs there, and we looked at, we like hung out with a bunch of kittens, and like there was one that we were kind of thinking that we liked the most. Then my roommate was like, let's just look at one dog, like let's just look at one. And I'm like, no bitch. And then we did. I fell in love with him immediately. Like I was like, this is it. Love at first sight, really. She didn't. She was like, I don't know. Like all of a sudden she's like, we shouldn't do it. We shouldn't. I got like really defensive really quick about it. Anyway, the next day I went back and I picked him up, and he's a 6-year-old Chihuahua who is literally the light of my life. And I feel like my entire life has changed since I got him. I'm mixing the Tarte Shape Tape in with this concealer because it's a little bit lighter. I've had him for 3 weeks now, and he's adjusted so well. Like I said, he's 6 years old, so he's already trained, and he has not even had one accident in the house yet. He's so good. But yeah, if you wanna see a picture of him, go, because I don't have him here with me. This is the first time that I don't have him with me since I got him, which is probably a huge mistake. I know. Yeah, I can't show you him because I don't have him, but maybe I'll insert a picture. But also you should just go to my Instagram because I posted a really cute video. Oh, and I made a really cute like story reel, like highlight reel on my Instagram so you can see like the whole adoption process. It was really cute, you know, no big deal. I just have a son now. Oh, and his name is, did I say this? His name is Billy, but his full name is Billy Boyd Handsome Man Klein. And we call him Billy Boyd for short, or Billy, if you're really going for a nickname, you know? It's so funny because I was watching Lord of the Rings and the guy who plays Pippin in the movie, his real name is Billy Boyd, and I'm like, oh my god, twins. So now I call him Pip for short as well. That's like the super, super, super short nickname. But yeah, he's super nice. I love him. I love him. I'm gonna set my under eyes with this Essence Color Correcting under eye powder. This is my favorite under eye powder. I'm sure you guys know by now. It's my favorite under eye powder of all time. And if I ever stray from it, unless I declare another one as my favorite, then still know that this is still my favorite. Because I've gone through so many and I always go back to this one. And I always am like, why did I stop using it? Like, I don't know why I always stop using it, but I always go back to it and I always love it just as much. All right, I paused to do my brows and then I primed with the Urban Decay Primer Potion and set that with the Too Faced loose powder, and now I'm moving on to eyeshadow. So you guys know I'm using all my favorites right now, so I'm gonna use this chocolate bar palette from Too Faced. You guys, honestly, like, I need to stop using this palette. Actually, can you recommend a palette to me? Like, for real, comment, because I'm having like a palette short. I mean, I have plenty of I have plenty of palettes, but I feel like I'm in a shortage just because like I'm sick of all of them, and this one just is like my tried and true. So I'm gonna use this today, but I'm gonna start with this shade. You could have predicted that. I'm gonna start with this shade and then I'm gonna use that shade. I'm gonna put it like in my honestly, this is gonna be a pretty soft look. I'm just chilling. First video of 2019, hanging out. New Year's happened. I want to know what you guys did for New Year's because I honestly, like, I'm the lamest person ever, so like I need to live vicariously through other people, but I didn't do anything on New Year's. I literally just stayed home with Billy and my roommate, and we just basically just hung out, and I don't drink either, so I didn't drink, but I watched the ball drop, and actually my roommate, I was like really tired, and my roommate was not, so she put on a playlist of Disney music, which I'm like not a Disney person at all, unless it's like newer Disney. Like I like Moana, and I like new one. I really like Coco. Oh my god, I just watched Coco for the first time, and it made me so emotional, and I love that movie. Damn it, I love that movie so much that I was like, I'm gonna watch this every day. And so I've watched it every day since I've seen it the first time. But like I just watch it to fall asleep because the music is so happy, and my roommate doesn't like the movie because she's absolutely insane, and so I've just been torturing her by singing that song. It's like, remember me, you know, but she hates it. I love it, and so I was torturing her, so she decided to torture me and listen to old school Disney, which is not my cup of tea. And oh my god, wait, I have to, if she lets me, I'm gonna ask her, but I'm gonna insert a clip of her dancing on New Year's Eve. Wait, I'm gonna blend this out because I feel like I'm talking too much, so let me blend this and then we can get to talking again. Damn it, now that Coco song is back in my head. Remember me. I hear it. So, let's talk about my hair. First of all, never had it this short in my entire life. I mean, I did when I was like 5. I had like a really cute, like little, I don't want to say bowl cut, but like, no, it was a bob. That's what it was. It was a bob. But yeah, I have never had my hair that short again. And literally, let me tell you the story of how this happened. I was yesterday in the shower and I was washing my hair and I was thinking like, it's like, literally it was so long, it was past my belly button, and I was just thinking like, damn, I'm using so much shampoo and conditioner right now, like this is insane. And I was like, I should get some ends cut off because, wait, I took a selfie, I'm gonna put it in here, I took a selfie the day before I cut it, and I was like, oh my fucking, do I curse on my channel? I was like, oh my god, my hair, it looked so bad, it was like stringy, like just gross, and it was like clean, it's not like it was like gross, like, you know what I mean? This, I'll get a couple inches off and just like get the dead off. Then I was like, that's pretty lame. And then I was like, I should just cut it off. And I was in the shower when I had this thought, and then I was like calculating how much my hair grows in a year. Like the entire shower, I was just thinking about it. And then I got out of the shower, I put on a towel, and I walked into my roommate's room, and I was like, let's cut my hair right now. And she was like, seriously? And I'm like, let's do it. She went and she got a pair of scissors and we braided my hair and chopped off the braid. So that happened. Yeah, it was very last minute. I was literally just like thinking like, if I don't do it in this exact moment, it's never gonna happen. And so we did it. And yeah, I'm gonna put the clip of me getting my hair chopped off for the first time in here because you can see my reaction. It was way more emotional than I thought it would be. So watch that. Ah! Oh my god.
Dispute. Go to highbench.tv.
Oh my fucking god, it's too late now. We fucking did it. Oh my freaking god.
Charged her for. I think he's entitled to it.
Holy shit, that feels so weird. Oh my god, it feels so weird. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, this is so fucking weird. Just kidding. So yeah, that was my reaction. I really honestly like was holding back tears, but like I didn't want to cry because I know that she would have freaked out if she saw me crying, but it was really just like emotional. Like I was like, that hair, some of it I think has probably, like I grew that hair when I was in high school, I think. Like that's how old it is. I've been out of high school for a while now, and I was just thinking like that can't be healthy to like have all that. I feel like energy resides in your hair. I don't know. Honestly, like a really rough cut. Like we are gonna, tomorrow I'm gonna go in and get it like actually cut, not with, you know, like household scissors and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get probably like another inch off like right there because my hair grows so fast. So it'll be fine if I get more inches off. All right, so now I'm just gonna take the Gold Rush blush from Benefit and put this on my lid space. It's just gonna add like a little bit of a pinky pop to the entire, it's gonna be pretty subtle, but I just want a little bit more pink in the eye look. I'm just putting mascara on. This is the Wander Beauty mascara. I've been using so much Wander Beauty. I feel like a walking spokesperson, honestly, but I can't help it. I like it, okay? Ooh, okay, I've never worn these lashes before. This is, oh, JK, I don't know what I'm talking about. This is a new pair of lashes, but it's the style Rome. This is one of my favorite lash styles. And now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner, and this is the NYX Faux Whites in the shade Linen, which is like a really soft pink. And I really like this on my waterline because it's just like soft, you know? But also has like, when you're going, because right now I'm kind of going for like a pinky theme. So like, oh, and I'm also only gonna put it in the center of my eye, just like that. But yeah, I like the pinky theme of it. For an inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use this Ofra highlighter. I've been obsessed with this highlighter recently. It's the only one I wanna use, but I'm gonna take the pink shade because this is called All of the Lights, so it has all of their highlighters in it. So I'm gonna take the pink one, and I'm gonna put this on my inner corner right here. Now, I need it really bad. I'm gonna warm up my skin with this CoverGirl bronzer. This is the Vitalist Healthy Powder in the shade 725 Buff Beige. So it's actually just like a face powder that I get in a darker shade, and I use it as a bronzer because since it's a face powder, it has a little bit of coverage in it. So it just adds coverage, and that way when my makeup fades, it doesn't show through in those spots. Does that make sense? So I'm just gonna focus it in my, oh my God, I'm so pale. What is wrong with me? I look like I literally have like anemia. I probably do have anemia. I'm not gonna lie about that one. Everyone thinks I have it. They always tell me to get checked, but I'm just not down with that, you know? Like, I mean, like getting checked. I'm not down with anemia either, but like I know it's like major treatable. But, you know, I just like to suffer in silence. No big deal. I'm kidding. But I'm serious about the anemia thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna do blush, and okay, I'm gonna use this, the same thing that I use on my eyelids, but I don't know, like I just really like this blush recently. It's become like my favorite blush, and I've been using it all the time. And the weird thing is that I genuinely like the brush that comes with it, which is like a first for anything. So if you get this, don't throw out the brush, use it. So I'm just gonna, obviously, I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. But yeah, I really like this brush. Like I feel like it genuinely like is like the perfect shape and size. Obviously, I'm gonna use the same highlighter that I used in my inner corner, but this time, instead of just using the pink, I'm gonna mix these two shades together. That way it's not overbearingly pink, although this highlighter isn't overbearingly pink, but God, this shirt does not want to stay up. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbones. And honestly, like, I've been really into like the intense highlight look recently, but I'm not gonna go overboard. I'm gonna try not to. Lipstick. I have two options here. These two. Now, I know this is a favorite video, like all of my favorites, but I've never used this. But like, I just thought the color looked pretty and looked like what I was trying to go for, and I use this one literally all the time. You guys have seen me wear this lipstick so many times, like it's so beat up. This is like one of my all-time favorite lipsticks. It's CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in the shade, I don't know. I think it's called Ballerina, but the sticker fell off of it that had the name on it, but I'm pretty sure it's called Ballerina. Oh, am I gonna betray you guys like this? Yes, I am. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. First betrayal of 2019, but I'm gonna use this lipstick that I've never used. It's called Uncuffed, and it's from Fenty. Nick knows it better than I do. Wow. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put this lipstick on. I hope I like it. If I don't, then honestly, I just fooled myself. So I thought I did play myself. As I started putting this on, I even took out a makeup wipe and I was like, I'm taking this off. And then I was like, wait a second, no, I actually like it. I'm gonna set my face and I'm gonna use the Urban Decay setting spray, and it's got my name on it. Whoa, that was fast. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. I know I did, and I hope you have a wonderful 2019. I know I will. But no, for real. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on IG, and go look at how cute Billy is, and comment down below. I asked you guys a million questions, so answer them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!